We'll be creating our own experiment with an egg, but not just any ordinary egg. With this egg, we'll be conducting 3 experiments and creating 3 different hypotheses. In our first experiment, we'll be wrapping the egg in a piece of paper. Once you get to this station, you'll take your Eggsperiment data sheet, create a hypothesis, and you will have 5 minutes to create an egg contraption wrapped in paper. Once we move on to the next station, you'll once again have 5 minutes to create a hypothesis on what you think will happen to the egg when dropped from 3 feet, 6 feet, and 12 feet. With this egg, you will wrap it in a piece of bubble wrap paper provided by the teacher, and then we will go out to the Grant Street parking garage and conduct our experiment. But last but not least, we will also take our egg and create a straw contraption using as many straws as you need. Remember, you will also have 5 minutes to complete this task. Once you have completed your experiment, your egg will be wrapped in a series of straws, and we will also drop this from 3 feet, 6 feet, and 12 feet. You will have 5 minutes at each station. When you hear the whistle, rotate to the next station. Are there any questions? You may begin. Begin our Eggsperiment egg drop. Once I divide you into groups of 5, you and your mentor will come to each station at 3 feet, 6 feet, and move up to the level of 12 feet where your mentor will drop the egg wrapped in either paper, straw, or bubble wrap from the top of their head. And once the egg reaches the bottom, your job is to fill out your Eggsperiment data sheet with whether the experiment was successful or not successful, and then we'll go back into the classroom and determine our results on whether our hypothesis was correct or incorrect. Let's begin our experiment. With our first experiment, we'll take our egg wrapped in paper and drop it from 3 feet and see what happens. 3, 2, 1, drop. Our egg cracked. Let's see what happens with the egg and the bubble wrap. 3, 2, 1, drop. Our egg made it out successful. We will do the exact same thing at the 6-foot level and also at the 12-foot level. This concludes our Eggsperiment egg drop. Let's head on back in as a group and let's examine our results and determine whether our hypothesis was correct, examining the scientific method.